Hello, this is Ricky with Service Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light or the service light on a Smart ForFour. So for step 1, make sure the ignition is on. Now you want to press the up or down arrow, look on the screen here, until the menu, messages and services are shown. Now for step 2. Now you have messages and service highlighted in the display. You want to press and hold the OK button on the left side of the steering wheel until the wrench symbol starts blinking. Then release and press it again for about 20 seconds. Then the new service interval should be shown. Turn off the ignition. Your service light has now been reset. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.